Amazing learning fact for kids to learn English easily. Did you know? Singing songs helps you learn English faster. When kids sing English songs, they remembered words pronunciation better. It makes learning fun and easy, just like playing a game. Try singing your favorite nursery rhymes or fun songs to improve your English. Reading picture books helps you learn English faster. Seeing words with images makes it easier to understand and remember new words. Try reading colorful storybooks. Talking like your favorite cartoon characters improves English. Copy how they speak and practice new words in a fun way. It's like playing a role in a movie. Playing word games makes learning English exciting. Games like Scrabble, word search and riddles help you remember words while having fun. Listening to English stories before bed improves language skills. Your brain remembers words better when you hear them in a story. Try bedtime stories in English. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more learning video. Thank you.